Okay, I came out here a couple times last night to try to find Herman, and I could not find him. I don't know what happened to him. Where'd he go? I think he left. This is his home base. He's nowhere to be found. Only thing I can think is yesterday we had a storm, and after that storm he croaked a lot, like roar, roar. And I looked up on YouTube to find out why frogs croak a lot after the rain. And he could be yearning to mate. So he got in here somehow. And now he got out somehow. So I don't know where my baby boy is. I guess we're done with you. Don't think you're in here. I'm going to take this out.